sunny days don't ever come around. So hard to stand when my feet feel weak. No reason left to touch the ground. At times I smile, but it always ends in a frown. Trying to hold my head up, but sorrow keeps pulling me down. Clouds keep hanging all over me. The pain makes it hard for me to even breathe. I ask the Lord, do you still hear my prayers? If so, will you come and see about me? 'Cause I'm tired of fighting these stormy feelings all alone. Trying to be strong when it seems like all hope is gone. And every road I travel on feels like I don't belong. Rain, 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 please go away. Bring me brighter, better days. Lord, don't let me drown in pain. Wash my hurt, but leave your grace. 'Cause I've been down for far too long. Oh, trying to find where I belong. At times it gets so hard for me to pray. Lord, please send sunny weather my way. Sometimes I laugh just to hide the pain, but deep inside it still remains.